Let's practice rounding up to 1 million. Round to the place value of the underlined digit. We have the number 2,642. The underlined digit 2 is in the thousands place, so we'll be rounding to the nearest thousand. Let's circle the number 2 and look next door. We have the number 6. The number next door is 5 or greater. Our 2 goes up to 3. If it is less than 5, our 2 stays the same. Since 6 is 5 or greater, our 2 becomes a 3. The numbers to the left, if there were any numbers bigger than the thousands place, would stay the same. The numbers to the right of our thousands place become 0. So 6 becomes a 0, 4 becomes a 0, and 2 becomes a 0. So 2,642 rounds to 3,000 when we're rounding to the nearest thousand. Next, let's look at 65,291. The underlined digit 5 is in the thousands place. Let's circle the 5 and look next door to the 5. We have a 2. This tells us that our 5 will stay the same. We'll write our 5. Numbers to the left of the 5 also stay the same, and numbers to the right of the 5 become 0. 65,291 rounds to 65,000 when we're rounding to the nearest thousand. Take a look at 85,710. The underlined digit 8 is in the 10,000s place. We'll be rounding to the nearest 10,000. We'll circle our 8 and look next door. The number is a 5. Remember, 5 or greater tells us to make our number circled go up 1. So our 8 becomes a 9. Numbers to the right of our 9 become 0. So 85,710 rounds to 90,000 when we're rounding to the nearest 10,000 place. Take a look at 938,273. Our underlined digit 9 is in the hundred thousands place. Circle our 9 and look next door. The number is smaller than 5. That tells us our 9 will stay the same. And the numbers to the right of our 9 will become a 0. 938,273 rounds to 900,000 when we're rounding to the nearest hundred thousands place. Look at 595,183. Our underlined digit 5 is in the hundred thousands place. Circle our 5 and look next door. The number is a 5 or greater. It is 9. That tells us our circled number 5 needs to go up to 6. The numbers to the right of our 6 become 0. So 595,183 rounds to 600,000. Look at 981,033. Our underlined digit 9 is in the hundred thousands place. Look next door. The 8 tells us our 9 needs to round up. So it'll round up to 10. The numbers to the right of our number become 0. 981,033 rounds to 1 million. And this concludes our lesson on rounding up to 1 million.